you for joining me today at No Place Like Home. I'm so happy to have you here today. Today I will be styling my coffee table. And I'm going to give you 3 looks that you could get some ideas or some tips that you may want to do your coffee table. I like to thank my subscribers. I like to thank all my new subscribers. If you hadn't already subscribed, please do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the thumb twice so that you won't miss any of our time together. So, enough been said. Here we go. This is my first look. I always like to use a cloth for Farmhouse. I always like to use a white runner on it. I'm going to use this board here, the wood board, because it looks so pretty. And then also, I got this from a resale store. So I'm going to use this. It's got a little bird on it. I think it looks so cute. It's just a Farmhouse look. And I got some glasses here that I'm going to place on here. When you're decorating, always remember that you need to put at least 3. It doesn't matter what group it is, it's in, as long as it's in a 3 group section. So I'm gonna put this, so I'm gonna have 3 glasses. And I just have this right here. This right here just gonna kind of pick one of them up and make it look a little taller. And always, like I said, I always put it in a groups of 3s. Now this is my first look that I have. Isn't that pretty? Okay, now I'm gonna show y'all another look. Now this is something else that I got from the thrift store. It's just a little wooden, I think the lady told me that long time ago, people used to use these for pies and cakes to keep them together. I didn't know nothing about that, but she told me the history of it. So I think this is a good investment because this is history. And I'm just gonna put this little cloth here on here. It has Saturday on it. This is just an old cloth from my mother-in-law. She had this, and she had a cloth for each day. And like I said, I love vintage look. And so I'm gonna use this on this tray this time. It's just to bring it out a little bit. And it's got a little color in it too. And then I got these little boys here. I'm gonna put them on it. It's just for height. I'm just gonna kind of lay it to the side like so. And then I got this little sign that says Home Sweet Home. I'm just gonna lay that on it because it's got the little cream and the gray texture in it. And then on top of the books, I'm going to use a little vase. I just love this vase, y'all. It's just got, it's kind of like the old churns. I don't know if y'all, some of you young people don't know what I'm talking about, but some of the older peoples, they do. And this way, they make the colors in it, make it look like it's an old timey. And some will use it with a little greenery in it. And always remember 3. So I'm gonna put this on here. This is a little jug here that I got from a thrift store. I think it's so cool. And they're giving it is some little color. So now if you add a little color to it, that brings it out. So I'm gonna put it on here. And this will be in the group of 3. I might change it around a little bit. That's my second look. So now I'm gonna do my third look. Always use some type of a book, if you can, if you want to. Then I'm gonna put a little flower on top of it. If you like to have a candle, you can put a candle. Your candlestick. And here's your group of threes. Okay, so you can have it like this, or you can put 2 trays on the table. Sometimes I'll do 2 trays. And I think that's what I'm going to do today. And you can style it any way you want to. This is just the way I like styling mine. But you can style it any way you want to style it. You can even have on this and here, you can even put your candle on top of your candlestick here. And there you have it, the 3 different styles that you can use. And you can just find things around your house that you can just put together, and it'll look good. We all is designers, so we design our own home. Some of us is fortunate to have someone design for us, but some people don't, so we have to design for ourselves. And so I'm going to try to start you leave a scripture after my presentation. Since Easter is coming up, I'm going to use this one. I think it's fitting. It says, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life." And I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day. May God forever bless you and keep you. Till we meet again on our next video. Okay, I'm going to say bye-bye.